Are you hungry and have leftover chicken in your fridge? Let me show you how to make this chicken fried rice that even the Chinese takeaway would be jealous of. Let's get started. Start by dicing 1 cup of leftover chicken. You can use rotisserie chicken or any other chicken you have in the fridge. Now here's the secret on how to make the best fried rice possible. Use 2 cups of cooked rice from the day before. First up, we'll dice 1 small onion, about the size of the palm of your hand. Now let's crush and dice 1 clove of garlic. Onions and garlic will add a beautiful aromatic flavor to your fried rice. And dice some green onions for a beautiful garnish on top of our chicken fried rice. Chopping complete. Now I like to sneak some vegetables in my fried rice. Add 1 cup of mixed frozen vegetables. And give it a quick zap in the microwave for about 2 minutes. Now let's get our sauce ready. Add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, followed by 2 tablespoons of soy sauce or to taste. Then crack and beat 1 large egg. Eggs will add a bit of protein to your meal, along with the chicken. And measure out about 1 teaspoon of sesame oil to finish your chicken fried rice. With fried rice, you want to have everything measured out and ready to go because it's really quick when the wok comes out. If you don't have a wok, don't worry, just use a large frying pan and turn your stove to high heat. Pour 1 tablespoon of neutral tasting oil, no olive oil allowed. When our pan is hot, we'll start by reheating the leftover chicken and give it a good stir fry till it's hot. Now let's add our oyster sauce to the chicken. I don't even like oysters, but this sauce brings in the umami. Give the chicken and the sauce a good stir fry. And push the chicken aside for the next ingredient to come, onions. Let's stir fry the onions until the onions become translucent, like this. It'll take about 2 minutes till this happens. Now let's add our garlic. Stir fry the garlic until you start smelling that aromatic flavor. It'll take about 30 seconds for the garlic. Then push everything aside again. Now remember our beaten egg from before? It's scrambling time! Once your egg is scrambled to your satisfaction, stir everything all together. And now let's add our reheated mixed vegetables. If you have water at the bottom of your bowl of frozen vegetables, do not add it. It will make your rice soggy. Let's add our day-old rice. By using day-old rice, your rice grain will be separated beautifully and you won't have mushy fried rice. Let's add your soy sauce to tie everything together. Throughout this chicken fried rice recipe, we added each component separately and cooked them separately to ensure they were cooked to perfection. This allows for each component to be perfectly cooked, and when you combine everything else together, you got the perfect chicken fried rice. Now let's add our green onion garnish. Stir fry the green onions very lightly, just to cook them slightly through. Now let's finish off with the sesame oil. A touch of sesame oil will bring the fragrance to the next level. And there you have it. Beautiful and delicious chicken fried rice that you won't have to go to the takeaway for. Check out some of my other leftover chicken recipes.